Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hair in ZBrush. First, begin by creating a simple base mesh for your character's head. Then, utilize Z-spheres to establish the main flow and volume of the hair, blocking out the primary forms. Next, use the Move topological brush to sculpt the major hair clumps, defining their overall shape and direction. This foundational step is crucial for achieving a natural and appealing hairstyle. Once the main forms are established, it's time to add detail. Refine individual hair strands using the clay buildup and standard brushes, focusing on the flow and texture. Incorporate custom alpha textures to create finer hair details and a sense of realism. Additionally, use masking techniques to isolate areas, then extract new subtools for secondary hair forms, adding depth and complexity to your sculpt. For truly realistic hair, explore ZBrush's fiber mesh feature. This allows you to generate individual hair strands directly on your sculpt. After generating, use the dedicated fiber mesh grooming brushes to style, comb, and cut the hair, achieving precise control over its appearance. Don't be afraid to experiment with various hairstyles, lengths, and textures to find the perfect look for your character. To finalize your ZBrush hair, optimize the poly count to ensure smooth performance, especially if you plan to export it. Apply appropriate materials and set up effective lighting to enhance the hair's texture and shine during rendering. Remember, practice is key to mastering hair sculpting. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep sculpting and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.